In pairwise comparison voting method, we look at each pair of candidates and we see who would win in a head-by-head competition. So we have 4 candidates or issues, C, D, M, and G. We have our table of results, and we need to look at all the different pairs. So you have to be methodical when you do this. I took C versus D, C versus M, C versus G, D versus M, D versus G, and finally M versus G. And I wrote down those 6 pairs. Then we look at our table of ballot results, and we first compare C versus D. So we look at the first column of results and we say who would win, C or D. And it's obvious that C was in first and D was in fourth, and so those 10 ballots go to C. In the second column, D beats C, so there's 15 ballots for D. Third column, C beats D, 13 for C. Fourth column, D beats C, 12 for D. Fifth column, C beats D, 5 for C. And in the last column, C beats D, another 7. And then we add up the points. So let's see, that's 10, 20, 30 for C, and 27 for D. Did I do that right? No. 10, 15. It's 35. 35 for D, and 35 for C, 27 for D. And so C is the winner, and C in this method then is awarded 1 point. So I'm going to make a table of results down here at the bottom. We have C, D, M, and let's see, falling off the table. That's all right. We can still fit it all in there. G, and points. In this method, a win gets you 1 point, a tie gets you half a point. So C is winning so far with 1 point. Okay, let's go on to the second column, C versus M. I'm sorry, the second comparison, C versus M. In the first column, C wins in the first, so that's 10 votes. In the second column, we're looking at C and M. M is ahead of C, so that's 15 for M. Third column, C wins there. Fourth column, M wins there. That's 12 votes, looking real similar so far. In the fifth column, M is better than C. And in the last column, C is better than M. Different results this time. We have 10, 20, 32 for M, and we have 30 for C. Who wins? M does. So M is given a single point. I've completed doing my scoring, and you can see I've added some fancy circles around the winners, and I've added my points. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I should have 6 points total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 points because there was a clear winner. There were no half points. Those are awarded for the tie. Who wins? M does it again. So what do we have going on now? We've had 4 different competitions. Let's see, how did it go? C won the very first one, right? C won our plurality, but the last 3, plurality with elimination, board account, and pairwise competition, were all won by M.